Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I know normally when you watch YouTube videos, you see the photographer out there and they're using, 7200 2.8 lens for wildlife, or maybe 400 millimeter, 450, 500, 600. Well, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to be using kit lenses. Woohoo! So I'm going to be shooting with the Pentax DA 18135WR and or the Pentax DAL 5200WR. Just to show that you don't necessarily need the most expensive lenses in order to visually achieve your artistry in regards to shooting wildlife and whatnot. It's more about the visualization and your technique more than anything else. I mean, obviously, yes, more expensive lenses, they do make a difference. However, don't think that your photos can never be good enough just because you don't actually have that equipment. Use what you have, learn everything about what you have, and you can achieve amazingness. All right, well, let's go.
So here I have the Pentax DA 18135WR, and there's a gray squirrel hanging out there, so I'll try to capture that. And right now I'm just mounting my shoe mount cell phone holder so I can record video of exactly what I'm shooting, so it's pretty much the correct perspective. And yeah, after doing all this, I realized that the DA 18135WR, even though it's a DC motor, it focuses pretty much just as fast as the DAL 5200WR, which, to me anyway, or from all the lenses I have, is the fastest screwing. I mean the fastest screw mount focusing lens, or sorry, screw driven focusing lens that I actually have in my arsenal. Not the fastest screwing. Oh man. Anyway, all right, here we go.
And while I'm scouting around, a lot of times I like to just, I just basically look around. If I don't really see anything, then I pretty much switch into my landscape mode. So here we have the marsh here. It's all frozen. I think this composition looks pretty good. So I'm going to take a shot here. Yeah. Alright, now I'll go find some more birds. I do find that line up there a little interesting, so I'm going to take a shot of that as well, if you can even hear me over the crazy amount of water crashing here. Alright, just did the switch to the DAL 5200WR, no lens hood, and let's see what we can get with this. Remember, just these two kit lenses, and that's all for today. So let's see how I make out. battery just died. Oh well. Well, time to head home and see how these came out. So what did we learn? Well, I learned that the Pentax DAL 5200WR is an incredibly fast focusing screw-driven lens, and all the shots that you heard in the video that I didn't actually show a photo of, they never made it. So the takeaway is basically this. Yes, more expensive lenses do make a difference in regards to background blur and shooting in lower light situations. However, in regards to composition, technique, things like that, you can still achieve very, very sharp and incredibly good images using the kit lenses. You just have to work a bit harder at it, which will actually aid you in the future when you do upgrade to the more expensive lenses, because you'll have your technique down pat, boy and woman. And anyway, the other thing to take away is always make sure you pack enough equipment. I left the extra battery in the car, the battery died, couldn't take any more photos, and that was pretty much the end of the story. And as you can see, it was very cold. So, the battery's going to die a lot faster than if it was warmer out. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. But just keep on shooting. And thank you again to all my subscribers. All of you. Every one of you. And you guys will see me on the next video. Peace.